Hello and welcome to GT Motive and another one of our training videos which we hope will help you to get the most out of our products. In today's video we're going to have a look at how simple it is to create an estimate when you're integrating from another platform. For this example we're going to be using our very own claims and fleet management platform GT Global, although the behavior will be the same as when you're integrating with GT Estimate from any other platform. In the management platform, there'll come a moment in the process where you'll have to access GT Estimate. Go to the intervention and click on Go to Estimate to access the operations screen of GT Estimate. The operation selection screen is where you'll have to add all the parts, services and items to the estimate. Let's stop for a moment at this point. If you have already worked with a standalone version of GT Estimate without integrating through another platform, you will have noticed that the previous steps you should take to create an estimate, such as identifying the vehicle and its equipment, have been omitted. This is due to the fact that as you're integrating from another platform, the vehicle and estimate information is sent automatically by said platform and there's no need to fill in this information yourself. To see this for yourself, in the menu situated to the left, go to the vehicle screen. Here you'll be able to see all the necessary information such as the estimate ID, the registration number, the VIN number, the make and model of the vehicle. Below the vehicle screen to the left, you will find the equipment screen, where you will be able to view all the vehicle's equipment. If you have used the VIN query function, all the vehicle's equipment will be identified to the full, including the manufacture date, the latest ADAS systems, the engine, the maintenance intervals, etc. If this function is unavailable, on the other hand, you may have to identify the vehicle's equipment manually by deploying each of the sections and selecting the corresponding equipment that the vehicle you're estimating has. Moving downwards through the menu situated to the left, you will find the data screen, where the estimate information can be found regarding labour rates, paint information and any discounts, etc. As is the case with the vehicle and equipment screens we've just seen, under normal circumstances this information will be launched and filled in automatically by the platform that you are integrating from, and there'll be no need for you to access these screens to make any changes. Let's go back to where we started, the operation selection screen, which will be your landing page when you access GT Estimate through integration, and where you will have to select and add all the parts, services and items to the estimate. Select the functional group you wish to work with by clicking in the center of the virtual joystick above to the left. Choose the area or functional group of the vehicle that you wish to work with. You can select the exterior bodywork, the interior bodywork, the engine, the running gear and the maintenance intervals, etc. Let's go to the front exterior bodywork. Select the part that you wish to work with, and to the right, the tasks that you can perform on said part will appear on the screen. Use the flap below to reveal the labels of each task. Click on Replace, and the part will be added to the operations list. If you select the part that requires painting, and you replace said part, the paint information will be launched automatically, depending on the paint system that you have chosen. To go to a different area of the vehicle, use the arrows of the virtual joystick to move around the bodywork, or click in the center of the joystick to go to the global view of the vehicle. Select a different functional group. In this case, we're going to go to the maintenance intervals. Select the maintenance interval you want to carry out on the vehicle and click on Replace. GT Estimate might require you to specify certain items of the maintenance interval. Make your selection and click on Accept, and the maintenance interval will be added to the estimate, as you can see. Another useful feature of GT Estimate is the part search function. Click on the part search icon situated below. Introduce a part name or a reference number and click on the search icon. Select the part that you are searching for and click on Accept, and GT Estimate will take you to the functional group where that part can be found and highlight it in blue. All you have to do now is click on Replace to add the part to the operations list. If you make a mistake or wish to modify a certain operation, select the operation from the operations list, and to the right click on the three little dots icon. Click on Delete or Modify accordingly. If you modify a certain operation, remember that a little pencil icon will appear next to the operation to alert you that this operation has been manually modified. Once you have added all the items, parts and services to the estimate, all you have to do now is click on Calculate to the left. In the results page above to the right, you can see a total breakdown of the estimate with all the parts, labour and paint information. If you wish to hide the total breakdown, click on the amount above to the right. In the main body of the results page, you can see all the operations and items. To the right, there is a pencil icon with which you can modify any of the operations if you so wish. Now that you have completed the estimate, to transfer the results to the platform you are integrating from, all you have to do is close the pop-up window where GT Estimate opened up. In those cases where GT Estimate is embedded in another platform, you may find a send icon above to the right. In this case, all we have to do is close the pop-up window and the results of the estimate will be transferred to GT Global. Verify that all the details have been transferred correctly, and you can continue with the intervention as you have always done so. Click on Save and Continue. Thank you for watching. Please look out for other interesting and useful videos from our channel, and please don't hesitate to contact our support line if you have any queries or doubts. Thanks again. Until next time.